Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, and I'll be your mirror image. We'll begin with the feet together, or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Letting go of all the worries from the day, just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Opening the door. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the fingertips point up, and then very gently rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead. They spiral out and away. The upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Spiraling the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms coming up and over. Fingertips point down, coming down the center. And the hands spiral out and away, the downward spirals, softening down towards the earth, rising back up. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, the downward spirals. And then the hands circle in front, palms face each other right in front of the heart. Breathing in, the hands open slightly. Breathing out, they come back towards each other. Breathing in, they open a little bit more. Breathing out, this time big open, big breath, accordion breathing. And we'll do another round, starting small, and then a little bit bigger. And then big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing, starting small, a little bit bigger, big open, big breath. And then from here, the arms float down, they circle in front. This time, round out the arms as if you're hugging a tree. Step one foot a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. The hands come down the center as you soften down. The hands brush out to the sides, coming back up the center to gather some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth, softening down, letting go. Breathing in. Breathing out, or taking a few breaths if you need to. One more time, planting seeds. This time, circle the arms all the way around in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other one down by the hip. And then circle it back around again. Bottom arm comes up, and then as the bottom arm comes up, leaning over to that side, going up. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time on this side, white crane spreads wings. And then catch the moon. This time we'll spin the moon, so switching sides. Bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down. And then circle it around again. Once again, just the arms. Bottom arm comes up, leaning over to the side going up. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, white crane spreads wings. This time, step in, catch the moon, the arms open up wide, then both arms drop down, the backs of the hands face each other, they float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up, breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions, and they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again. Wave hands like clouds. Softening the shoulders, the neck, the face, and the eyes. Using only what you need. Drift across one more time. And then this time the top hand makes a hook. Bottom hand comes up. The bottom hand floats across the horizon. Palm turns out. Circle it around again. Single whip. The hand floats across. Palm turns out. And you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up and then step out as it floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Take your time, stepping in, drifting across, letting go. Breathing. All right, this time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out, and this time, if you like, you can step in as the hand comes up and then step out as it floats across, nice and soft. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Take your time stepping in. Drift across. Still breathing. All right, now this time you can step in as you make a hook and then step out for single whip. And circle it around once more. This time, reverse direction. The back foot turns out, front hand comes up and over, pushes down, points down to the toes, and then back up. Circle it around again, the snake creeps through the grass, and you can always just come right down the middle. Or for some more challenge, you can shift over to one side, then coming up this time, the hook floats up, scoops down, and spirals out to the side. Other side, the hand floats up, scoops down, spirals out, the dancing dragon. Do that again, and then one more time. And the back hand here drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Taking your time, stepping in. Noticing the sensations in the body. And then this time you can step in as you make a hook. Step out for single whip. And circle it around once more. And then reverse direction. The back foot turns out. Front hand comes up and over, pushes down, points down by the foot, and then back up. Circle it around again. The snake creeps through the grass. Once again, you can always just go down the middle, and it doesn't matter how low you go. One more time. This time the hook floats up, scoops down, and spirals out. Other side, dancing dragon. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then the back hand here drifts over. Wave hands like clouds, stepping in, letting go. Still breathing. And we'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation. So we learn to move like nature with effortless ease, releasing tension, releasing stress. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both arms drop down, circle in front, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other, bottom hand drops down, toss away. The hand waves in towards the heart and then pushes forward right towards me. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in and then moves forward, repulsing the monkey, calming the monkey mind, creating focus and clarity. You can even lean into it if you like, just feeling the flow. One more time, repulse monkey. And then both arms drift over to the side, circle all the way in front, hug the tree, and step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth and then giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. And just coming down as much as you can, comfortably rising back up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in, a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. All right, thank you so much. Please stick around for a few more for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Beneath the Moon and Sun. I wonder when I'll feel it all, the joy and sorrow, big and small. I try to focus on what feels great, but still there's tension at the gate. The more I try to push away, the more the tension seems to stay. It's like a simmer just below, a subtle hardness from head to toe. But then I bring my attention near, with curiosity instead of fear. The tension then begins to fade, a storm I no longer need to evade. Acceptance seems to be the key to happiness and to be free. I see the dark and light as one, a dance beneath the moon and sun. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.